Welcome to Signa Designer Residences, a premium project under the Luxuria portfolio by Robinson's Land Corporation. The first and only designer residence in the country, Signa Designer Residences is set to redefine luxury living by blending modern architecture with nature to deliver a green urban condominium designed by Kenneth Cobonpoy, Royal Pineda, and Buji Layug. Signa features the distinct touch of three designers, from the design of the buildings to the color palette and stylish finishes. All of them are involved in every step of the process, making Signa a unique residence that is second to none in the country. A collaboration of three of the most notable names in design, Signa is beautifully modern, thoroughly organic, and exquisitely tropical. It reflects the three designers' philosophies, such as Buji Layug's beautiful and peaceful living spaces, Royal Pineda's modern and tropical design, and Kenneth Cobonpoy's innovative use of local organic materials for modern craft. Kenneth Cobonpoy is an internationally acclaimed furniture designer whose creations have earned him recognition, awards, and citations for design excellence here and abroad.
Signa marks the only time architecture, interior, and furniture design are brought together at the very onset to create a beautiful single entity. And that's why this project is very exciting. I want Signa to be a personal oasis in the concrete jungle that is Makati. After a hectic day at the office, wouldn't it be nice to retreat to your own personal garden surrounded by nature? Now imagine calling it home. Nature is a recurring theme in my work, and it reaches a special high in Signa. I've had to design a lot of custom pieces for Signa. The challenge of adapting my furniture and vision into compact spaces has always intrigued me. In this project, I use simple organic forms, natural materials, and tropical colors to create very unique, refreshing, and beautiful spaces. Collaboration is a process of continual sharing and learning. And that's what makes working with Buji and Royal fulfilling. From the early days of M8 to my own house, the tandem of Buji and Royal and I have always tried to shape and define the modern Filipino aesthetic. So it's best fitting to do it in one of the best addresses in Makati. At Signa, you will see the outcome of more than 10 fruitful years of working together, from Paris to New York and now to Makati.
Royal Pineda is an architect and partner at Buji Layug plus Royal Pineda Design Architects. Aside from designing high-end residences and resorts in the country, he also has projects in Thailand and Malaysia.
Signa will be a showcase of Filipino creativity and design, not prosaic and predictable, but Filipino. It is the work of Filipinos for Filipinos. It won't be the tallest building in Makati, but in terms of design and what it has to offer to its residents, the building will definitely be a standout. The collaboration is fun. It's a different process that it's like playing, but at the same time being serious about it. The best thing about Signa is it brings out the fresh concepts among us. I am the architect of the project within the Buji Layug plus Royal Pineda Design Architects. Aside from dealing with the exterior, my job is to make sure that the interior and the furniture designs blends well.
Buji Layug is an internationally recognized interior designer who sells his own brand of furniture in his own shops in Makati, Bangkok, and Kuala Lumpur. He was the first Filipino designer featured in Bloomingdale's, where his Buji's giant bamboo designs were showcased.
Sigma will bring back the Makati of old, when the city was open and green. Or walking into the building will be like walking in the garden. Sigma is a designer-inspired condominium right at the heart of Makati. Being in a very central location, we want to bring as much of nature to create a space of calm in a very busy environment. My collaboration with Kenneth and Royal is very harmonious because we have the same design wavelength. Everyone has a common direction and the same approach to the design and space.
While located near Ayala Avenue, living in Signa will feel like a million miles away from a busy city, with tropical gardens and beautiful landscapes in the central plaza. Amenities at the second level include modern fitness center for comprehensive exercise. There are steam rooms, therapeutic and swimming pools for stress relief and relaxation, reading room to nourish your mind, function and game rooms that can hold intimate parties, private theater where you can sit back and relax while enjoying your favorite movies, a kids' playroom that offers a wide range of toys and fun activities. With Signa Designer Residences, you can pick your dream condominium finishes to suit your taste. Our Luxe series carries the trademark of a carefully conceptualized and planned space by the Signa designers. The attention to flow, zoning, proportion, and scale is preserved, while a modern tropical atmosphere and a tranquil environment are ensured for Signa Designer Residences unit owners. This is accomplished through proper interior space planning, practical design solutions, and harmonious application of colors and finishes. As an upgrade from the Luxe series, the Designer Luxe series carries an interior design that uses finer materials and integrates innovations into the concept of condominium living. Equipped with high-end fixtures and modified unit specifications, this selection raises the notch of living in a unit that incorporates function and design. It is intended to create more space and the feeling of bringing the outdoors in. Completing the components of this designer residence is the Kobunpue series, which combines the Designer Luxe series with pieces of furniture designed by Kenneth Kobunpue specifically for Signa Designer Residences. Offering innovations in the use of natural and local materials, Kenneth Kobunpue's pieces revel in the fusion of tropical and modern sensibilities. His furniture collection has been a staple in the international design arena and is slated to raise the standard of Makati living as an additional privilege in Signa Designer Residences. To rise at the corner of Valero and Rufino Streets in premier Salcedo Village, Makati City, Signa Designer Residences will be right at the center of a vibrant business district. This two-tower, 29-story residential development will be steps away from modern corporate headquarters, reputable institutions, and commercial and leisure establishments. A truly modern masterpiece, Signa Designer Residences, the new standard of living.